What should I check before calling an HVAC technician? Before you pick up the phone, check your thermostat settings and batteries. Make sure your air filter isn't clogged, check that your circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and confirm all your vents are open and unblocked. Let's break this down like you're checking a few simple things before asking for help. First, look at your thermostat and make sure it's set to cool or heat, not just fan. And check if it needs new batteries, because a dead battery can make your whole system act like it's broken when it isn't. Next, pull out your air filter and hold it up to a light. If you can't see light shining through it, it's clogged and starving your system of airflow, which is one of the most common reasons people call for repairs that they could have fixed themselves in 5 minutes. Something a lot of folks don't know is that a dirty filter can actually cause your outdoor unit to freeze up, so if you see ice on it, turn the whole system off and let it thaw before doing anything else. Also, walk around your house and check that furniture or curtains aren't blocking your vents, since blocked airflow puts stress on the entire system. Lastly, check your breaker box because a tripped breaker is an easy fix that doesn't require a technician at all. One big mistake people make is assuming a frozen unit means something is broken, when really it usually just needs to be shut off and given time to defrost, so be patient before assuming the worst. Another common issue is ignoring strange noises or smells because they think it will go away, but those are usually early warning signs, so if you notice anything odd, make a note of when it happens and what it sounds or smells like before calling someone. A lot of people also forget to check outside for debris like leaves or grass clippings piled around the outdoor unit, and clearing that away can sometimes solve airflow problems instantly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.